Communication changes, memory changes, and aphasia can be really confusing words. Here are some tips about how to communicate over these challenges. First tip is that I would like that you imagine how you would feel if you can talk, but you can't find the right words. You would like to express yourself to others, but you just can't get started with telling anything. You have difficulties keeping up with conversations, especially if there's background noise. When you read, you only can understand a few words here and there, not a whole sentence anyway. You don't remember what had happened, where you are now, and who are the strange new people around you. You feel uncomfortable to ask help. With all the changes, you still are the same person. You have same knowledge and roles as before. It is just the communication that is difficult to do same way as before. The changes and aphasia is not happening just for that one person. It is affecting everyone who are with in these situations. It is like we are on the opposite sides trying to reach one another. But aphasia is there on the way. So that's why we need some tools or ways how we can pass aphasia to get to one another. It is like we're trying to build a bridge over the aphasia together, and when we work from both sides, we meet in the middle the fastest. So my second tip is that you take care of three things during communication situation. So that one, everyone in that situation has the way of expressing. Two, that everyone in that situation understands. And three, that you verify that you all have understand same way. With all the answers, it's good if you repeat the answer. Aphasia can work so that you want to answer, or you're thinking about answering one thing, but what comes up out of your mouth is something else. And therefore, it's good if you hear the answer and then you can react if that wasn't the correct answer. Every day we adapt our communication to the person or situation that we are communicating. But when we face new things and new changes like aphasia, we don't know how or in what way we could change or adapt the communication. That is why we are all facing a new situation and we all try to learn new things. I really hope that I can explain this to you so that you understand what I try to say. And I hope you see this as a good thing. So there is a million things that we can do to better the communication and smoother the situations. What I try to say is that unfortunately there is not just one thing that makes every change and challenges go away. We are all individuals, and what works for one of us doesn't work for everyone. But this is also a positive thing because you now have unlimited options. Anything can work for you. There is no situation that we can say we tried all, nothing works. What we can say is that if nothing have worked by now, we have not tried everything yet. It doesn't matter what you say, it matters how you say it.